Light up the night whether on the trail or on the road with these Oculus bi-LED headlamps from Oracle Lighting. Introducing the all-new Oculus bi-LED headlamp system by Oracle Lighting. These lights not only look amazing but are extremely functional. The LED light source has a low power demand compared to the factory lamps and provides way more light output. They feature over 200 bright white LEDs for a vivid lighting impact. These advanced LED projection lamps pack a whopping 5,200 lumens of high-quality light for enhanced driver visibility in all weather conditions. And style, they're super stylish and come in 3 bezel color options to match your trim. First off, matte black goes with just about everything and is always cool. The satin silver matches the grille accents on the Sahara package, and the graphite metallic matches the grille accents on the Rubicon. Also available in the switchback and color changing option. Installation is simple. The Oculus headlamps install using the original mounting hardware, and the headlight wiring is plug and play into the factory connector without any additional relays or harnesses. If you're interested in purchasing these Oculus bi-LED headlamps from Oracle Lighting or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.